Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have my Henry Big Boy on the table in 44 Magnum, and we're going to be installing a leather sling and a bandolier for spare ammo on it. Come back after the break and we'll get started. Alright, now as we said, I have my Henry Big Boy, I have my leather sling, there's the hardware, the destructions, the sling itself. Now these were made by Brass Stacker. I bought both of them. They're fairly pricey, but what's my other choice? Drill into this thing? I'm not drilling into this thing to put a mount on it. So we've got this, and it wraps around the buttstock here, and then it has a magazine tube clamp that goes up there, and that is how you're attached up there. Then your ammo bandolier can go anywhere along the sling that you'd like it to. So I'm going to turn this off, try and get it installed, because you don't want to hear me swear about how tight this fit is going to be, because I'm sure it's going to be a big pain in the ass. And when we come back, we should hopefully have it installed. Alright, as you can see, it's not installed yet. I'm actually about 30 seconds into it, and what I've noticed is that I do have to take this Chicago screw apart in order to feed this through here. I don't think I want to fight to get that through the bandolier. So we'll take this part, get the bandolier on, put this back together, then get it installed on the rifle. Alright, so there you have it. There is the installation of my sling on my Henry Big Boy 44 Magnum. It was a pretty simple job. This wasn't too bad. It's just a flap that comes over with a couple holes in it. I had to pull it pretty tight so you get enough room to snap that down, but it wasn't terrible. Probably the worst part about it was feeding the strap through the ammo bandolier. It's not really stiff material, it's fairly pliable, so you just had to bend this back and forth and kind of pull it in and out. Stop. To get it to feed through there, but after that was done, it wasn't too bad. Probably going to have to put a little bit of Loctite on the Chicago screws on both ends of here, probably a little bit where the screw that for the magazine clamp. These just unscrew and cam open, and you can turn them, and that takes your sling out, and it does it on both ends, so you don't have to have the sling on it all the time. Pretty easy to take it off and on. And we've of course got our Sig Sauer 44 Magnum ammunition here, and I think probably the next thing I'll do is I will change out this, get the bigger lever for it. I don't know if I'm going to get the cantilevered scope mount for it or not. I know, scope on a lever gun, but you never know. So I may do that, change this out. I don't know if it's just this screw or if there's something else internal, so we'll find out about that. But there you have it, the Brass Stacker leather sling for the Henry rifles, and I do believe they make them for other lever rifles as well. Don't have to drill your stock, don't have to damage anything. It's one little screw down here to put your magazine tube mount on, and then it's just pulling the leather a little tight to get it on the stock. So that's it. The 200 subscriber giveaway will be somewhere either one of these corners. I have 4 corners. Yes, it'll be in one of them. I don't know because I'm upside down here. And until next time, stay armed, stay vigilant, stay safe.